I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young, I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights.
What's going on, gang? It is day number 2 here, our last day, because we only had 2 nights here, the Westgate Coco Beach Resort. Today, super excited. Got up, I did race over to the beach, the wonders off in Anchorage. Got the tripod, got the drone. Hoping we can get the drone up there, make some shots at the Anchorage, enjoy some B-roll. See you at the Coco Beach.
Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel
Some of that B-roll. No cars, we can cross the street, it looks like. Yeah, very pretty morning out here today. The fantasy, the wonders. I'm calling it the fantasy, not the fancy. The wonder out there in Anchorage. You guys did enjoy last week's video of us seeing the chips there in the beautiful port of Canaveral. It's coming out in a few weeks. I don't know when it's coming out, but for sure you guys go check that video out. I'll link at one of the cards up here, there, down. I don't know, I'll link it there, so go check it out. All right, you guys, got the waterproof case on, so audio is a little muffled, that's why I'm gonna scream very loud. It is now time to head into the beautiful Coco Beach. A little bit chilly this morning, but as I mentioned, if you haven't seen the footage already, there is the Disney Wonder out there currently up in Anchorage along with another Disney ship, so super cool to see. But let's go experience some of the water here. So yeah, this is the water here. Oh crap, it's cold. Holy crap, it's a big one. I'm gonna catch it. Oh yeah, let's go. Hey, look at that. Would y'all look at that?
Say, would y'all look at this?
Would y'all look at that? I caught my first one. First try. Wow, would you look at that, folks? That's it. Did we get it? Oh yeah. Wow. Well, that one was a long one. Holy cow, what's going on, guys, again? Hopefully you enjoyed some of that drone B-roll. I'm gonna go get the drone up later, but I had to go walk 1 mile that way because I lost the drone. No, it was not in the water. I luckily was able to, I learned some things from watching people on YouTube. Griffin and Alyssa, the drone cruise travel master. But enjoy the rest of this episode of the show.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to.
Alrighty, guys, so it is currently 1 o'clock out here, back here at the beach.
Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
Holy crap. So that is officially for the beach for this weekend. What's going on, crew? It's time now to head in the lazy river here at the Westgate Coco Beach Resort.
About to leave, already packing, come with me to a place where we don't know. About to see the world.
We're still on the lazy river right now. Going around, I dropped off my tube because it was so slow. You just really just swim on this lazy river. It's about 3 feet deep here. Yeah, this wide angle lens on this camera is pretty cool. I mean, I just noticed how great this GoPro is. With all the settings and everything, so we're using this on this trip a lot. We're gonna get a B-roll sequence sometime this trip of this thing, I hope. Maybe today. You're gonna see that now.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss now. I'm done living life with the lights up, done with my own doubts. Be free.
Okay, there you go. Put some of this hand sanitizer on. You can see right there. That's the kitty. That's why there was a blooper right there. Ooh boy. Signs and stuff. No super dark as it is. Let's see what time it is. It's 8:05 p.m. here in Orlando, Florida, Cocoa Beach. Well, sure enough, crew, that is it for this video here in the season 2.0, which is basically our hotel series. We're traveling around the U.S. We did Gallenberg a few vlogs ago. We're now down here in Cocoa Beach. In a few weeks, we're going to be in Melbourne Beach. Let me know down in the comments below if you are enjoying this series. We took a different spin on this one than the Gallenberg series. You know, we had some of that B-roll intro, as I'm really digging those B-roll vibes. But yeah, thanks so much for coming, checking out this episode of the show. I greatly do appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you on the next episode.